What if I told you that everything you understand about the world, every joy, every challenge exists only because of its opposite? Beauty exists only because we recognize things we find ugly. Goodness has meaning only in comparison to things we perceive as evil. They depend on one another to exist. These contrasts are everywhere, shaping the way we see and experience life. This is the eternal dance of Yin and Yang. But the Yin-Yang is not just a symbol. It represents the interconnectedness of all things. Each side exists because of the other. Without night, we would not cherish the day. Without drought, we would not value the rain. It is through this balance that every aspect of life flows. The Yin-Yang symbol illustrates this beautifully. The line separating the two halves is not rigid and straight. It's fluid and curved, like the transitions in life. Within each side lies a circle of the opposite color. This is a reminder that even in our darkest moments, there is light, and in our brightest days, a shadow always lingers. It's the natural rhythm of existence. Nothing in the universe moves from one extreme to another without a gradual shift. Just as seasons change gradually rather than suddenly, so do we. Growth isn't abrupt, it's a process. This is why we must learn to flow with life, to embrace both highs and lows as essential parts of a greater whole. Lao Tzu, the ancient philosopher of the Tao Te Ching, spoke of a concept called Wu Wei. Although often translated as effortless action, it doesn't mean doing nothing, as some might think. It's actually about letting go of resistance and allowing life to unfold naturally. By acting without forcing, we align ourselves with the rhythm of the universe. The wisdom of Yin-Yang teaches us that balance is not about perfection, it's about harmony. Even in our most difficult times, there are moments of joy. And in our happiest days, challenges still exist. By accepting both, we find peace. I have prepared some affirmations to help us identify and embrace the interdependence of opposing aspects within ourselves. Among the many facets of Yin and Yang, these affirmations explore the diverse energies present within us all, such as motherly nurturing and fatherly guidance, gentle introspection and resolute action, mindful serenity and bold courage, and so on. As you listen to them, let the timeless philosophy of Yin-Yang guide you and trust the flow of life. By doing so, we can find balance and harmony in our lives. And remember, within every challenge lies an opportunity, and within every opportunity, a lesson. I hope you enjoy them. Now, take a moment to find a space where you feel at ease. Sit or lie down in a way that feels most natural to you. Gently bring your attention inward, noticing the rhythm of your breath and the sensations flowing through your body, from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Embrace the stillness of Yin and the vitality of Yang within you, allowing these forces to harmonize naturally. Be fully immersed in this present moment, the only moment that truly exists. As you hear these words, notice how every affirmation flows naturally from one energy to the other. Welcome each of these forces into your being, letting them nurture the balance and unity of Yin and Yang that constitute your essence. I am mindfully serene when I act courageously. I am a bold decision maker, paced by thoughtful patience. I cultivate tenderness with firm conviction. I stay strong in adversity with serenity and acceptance. I calmly listen to my inner voice, guided by purposeful ambition. I channel my energy with precision, rooted in reflective intention. I relax into stillness, knowing that movement will follow naturally. I stand tall in resilience, yet allow my heart to remain tender. I am compassionate in my understanding, balanced by clarity in my actions. I am a radiant force of action, nurtured by moments of stillness. I keep a cool head while examining my emotions in stressful moments. My heart radiates warmth, filled with love and kindness. I flow with pliancy through the rigidity of hardships. I cultivate joy through the gentle expression of serene gratitude. I am caring like a mother of incredible strength. I am steadfast like a father who loves unconditionally. I am a passive learner with a moving will for growth. I am an active creator, finding inspiration in moments of stillness. I am yielding like water from a magnanimous mighty stream. I am passionate like fire, offering cozy warmth and a guiding light. nurturing like earth, providing strength for all to flourish. I am dynamic like wind, carrying change with gentle grace. I meditate with absolute surrender, governed by strong discipline. I pray with focused intention, inspired by gentle reflection. I find inner peace in the steady and purposeful fulfillment of my goals. I focus on achieving my goals while filled by quiet inner peace. I embrace patience with a dynamic drive to evolve. I am firm in my will to preserve my tranquility. I cultivate love within myself with gentle care, and in return, I attract strength and connection. I express my love openly and fervently, and in return, I am embraced with tranquility and peace. Peace.